Hey guys, it's Madison. Now today we're going to be doing a makeup look that is near and dear to my heart because of my past, and it is a makeup look for emo night. So I'm going to be doing makeup not quite like I used to do when I was an emo kid, because I actually didn't wear a whole lot of makeup back when I was emo. I was too young to really get that, plus my mom would have killed me if I came out with raccoon eyes. So we're gonna just do something that I think really expresses the nature of the emo face. Now, I've already primed my face using the Touch in Sol No Problem, which I figured out it's pronounced last video, No Problem primer. So my face is all prepped and ready to go. Now I'm actually gonna skip the brows for the most part. I'm gonna put on a little bit of the Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel in Espresso, but what emo kid has nice eyebrows, honestly? I had a bit more of a scene phase than an emo phase, but either way, it's pretty similar. There's not a whole lot of difference there. So there we go. That's as much of the eyebrows as we're doing, and that might kill me at the end of the look, but it's fine. Next we're going to go into the eyes, and I'm going to be using the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette because it has a lot of darker black and gray shades, which is perfect for an emo eye look. First we're going to create a base with Nocturnal. Next we're going to go right into After Midnight to get a dark shade in the crease. And then we're going to take that same shade right down under. Give us that nice big raccoon eye look. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, just kind of spread it out here. Take just a little bit more on this side because that side does not line up. Now it looks like we just got punched in the eyes. Next I'm going to take this small thin brush with All Nighter, and this we gotta be very careful because black is unforgiving. Now that it's all blended out as much as I can with the way that I did this, we're going to do something on the lid real quick. Now, I'm going to take Dark Side, which is a little bit shimmery, right onto the lid here. I am going to take a little bit of Break Free and just do it up here, just to add a little something. I know we're not doing a whole lot of everyday look, but still going to add a little bit of shimmer there and on the inner corner. I've never been one for smoky eyes. I just pretty much look like I get punched in the face. Now, I could obviously do better than this if I wanted to, but we're emo tonight, and it doesn't matter. Alright, now I actually bought a new eyeliner. I have not tried it yet, so it's going to be a little bit of a first impressions. This is the Koki Professional Line and Style. Now, this is a brand available at Rite Aid and online. I don't believe they're in any other drugstores yet, but I bought it at Rite Aid. And we're going to try it. Let's see. First, I'm going to swatch it on my hand. Okay, there's a lot of pigment there. I'm able to control it pretty well. So I'm gonna do a huge line right on top here. Alright, after I did that, next I'm going to use another new Koki eyeliner. This is the Velvet Smooth Eyeliner. I'm going to use this for my waterline. If I can get it open. There we go. Wow, I really like this. It's probably the nicest eyeliner, like pencil, crayon, I guess, that I've used. And I'm not sure if it's a twist up. It looks like it is a sharpenable one, so you would have to sharpen it, which isn't the end of the world. It's not my favorite, it's not the most convenient thing, but the formula itself is really smooth and really nice. I'm not sure how it wears yet because I just put it on, but like, look at that. Like, obviously it looks ridiculous, but alright, now we're just gonna do a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use It Cosmetics mascara. Alright, we throw on the mascara and there's the completed eye look. Next I'm gonna just throw on some foundation. I am gonna use my Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation because it's the lightest one and we want to look like a ghost that got punched in the face. Alright, I think we look very creepy, emo. Now, I am not going to add any kind of bronzer because we want to be one shade, and emo kids don't really know about color. They only know black and white, maybe red, but we're not going to add any other bronzer or highlighter or blush or any of that. We're going to just stay one color. So, the last thing we're going to do is add some black lipstick. Now what I'm actually going to do is what I used to do when I was an emo kid and I wanted to have black lipstick. I'm going to use my eyeliner as lip liner because I don't have a black lip liner and it's basically the same thing. Honestly, I might use this for the whole thing. This works so much better than my lipstick does. I don't know how well ittle stay on, but the Kat Von D lipstick that I have does not go on this smooth. Honestly, I absolutely love that. I really hope it stays on. It's a little sticky, but I'm sure it'll dry. Wow, that is a look. I have not looked like this in years. Anyway. Spray the face, set that down. Because we would not want to lose this gorgeous look right here. And I'm gonna go fix my hair real quick, and alright, I now have bangs, and I actually found my rubber bracelets that I used to have. We got Pierce the Veil, Panic at the Disco, All Time Low, Fall Out Boy, Of Mice and Men, My Chemical Romance, and Bring Me the Horizon. If that doesn't define my high school years, then I don't know what does. If you're wondering, the shirt I'm wearing says Defend Crabcore, which is just a big meme. The band is not real. They have music, but it's parody music. It's by a YouTuber named Jared Alonji, who's not a YouTuber anymore. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and follow for more normal content that isn't turning myself into a shell of who I used to be.